A particle is projected vertically upwards with a speed of root over of gr from the earth's surface. The maximum height attained by it is what? Let us calculate the maximum height attained by the particle. Okay, this is earth of radius r. From the surface of the earth, this is the surface of the earth, a particle is projected vertically upwards. When the particle is thrown from the surface, then its velocity is root over of gr. This is given. Now, when it attains its maximum height h, consider, then its velocity will be 0. So, this problem can be solved by using conservation of energy. Okay. Now, consider the maximum height attained by the particle is h. Now, we have to use conservation theory. At the surface of the earth, total energy of the particle will be equal to the total energy of the particle at height h. So, let us find the kinetic energy and potential energy at different places. Okay. So, at the surface, kinetic energy will be half mv square. Okay, we know. And potential energy is, what is the potential energy? From the Newton's law of gravitation, we know that potential energy is G capital M small m by R. Here G is the universal gravitational constant, M is the mass of the earth, and small m is the mass of the particle, and R is the distance, radius of the earth. Okay, now at height h, kinetic energy will be equal to half mv prime square. This is 0. Similarly, potential energy will be minus g m small m by total distance is r and h, that is r plus h. Now, from the conservation of energy, we can say half mv square plus minus gm by r equal to this total energy. So, half mv square plus minus of gmm by r will be equal to from the conservation of energy, we can say that at the surface total energy is this will be equal to the total energy at height h, that is 0 plus minus of g mm by r plus h. Now we have to calculate. Half mv is root over of gr, then it will be gr minus g capital M small m by r, and it is minus g capital M small m by r plus h. Okay. Now, small m, we can neglect from the both side. So, g r by 2 minus g m by r equal to minus g capital M by r plus h. Again also we know that g equal to g m by r square. So, we can put it here. So, if we put g m by r square, then r and r get cancelled. So, g m by twice r minus g m by r, g m by r plus h. Also, we can neglect gm. Both side we have gm. So, we can write it twice r minus 1 by r will be equal to minus 1 by r plus h. So, minus 1 by twice r will be equal to minus 1 by r plus h. We can write it as minus will be plus r plus h will be twice r. So, h is r. So, the maximum height attained by the particle is r. Okay. Thank you.